Horses out, Yabad Hikain, best to begin, Masaganangani, Danori inside, through and up, moving up party outside now, is Glass Cockpit to take the leader. Glass Cockpit, the leader, by a length, Masaganangani in second, alongside third, Ad Hikain, carry over, is racing in fourth, Danori inside, peep through and up, Royal Fair, then followed by Shut Up, My Boy Paulo, Mr. G, and trailing the group is Flash Away, and it's still Glass Cockpit by about 3 lengths. Ad Hikain now moving up to take second, Masaganangani, Dress back in third, carry over in fourth, through and up, moving up, Shut Up, Danori inside is Royal Fair, a long way back to My Boy Paulo, Flash Away, and Mr. J, and it's still Glass Cockpit, Danori outside now is Ad Hikain. Ad Hikain takes the lead, Danori inside is Glass Cockpit, 7 lengths of winter now is carry over. It's still Ad Hikain by a length carry up, Glass Cockpit in second, carry over in third, and followed now by True and Up. As they come down at the last 150, we have Ad Hikain by about 5 lengths now. Glass Cockpit, True and Up is Danori inside, carry over in fourth. Last 100 meters, we have Ad Hikain by about 7 lengths now. True and Up in second, moving up Glass Cockpit once again, Royal Pair, My Boy Paulo, and finally it's Ad Hikain. Second, True and Up, Royal Pair, close, Glass Cockpit, My Boy Paulo.
Tatlo sila yun sa tersero.
6, 8, and 9. Pero